How to connect a Maytag Smart Front-Load Washer and Dryer. Open the Maytag app, log in, and select Add Appliance. Using your smartphone or tablet, scan the QR code displayed on the white rectangular SAID label found on the inside door panel of your appliance. Check that your router supports 2.4 GHz networks. Connection will not work with a 5 GHz network. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you wish to use for your appliance. If dual band, choose the 2.4 GHz network. Then tap Begin to start. Select your network. Enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network. Tap Done and Next. If asked to confirm product details, please select appliance type and model number and tap Next. Find the Wi-Fi Connect button located near the bottom center of the front panel on your washer or dryer. Press the button quickly, do not hold. If your appliance says to hold 3 seconds, please ignore, as this will put the appliance in the wrong mode. When the white light above the Wi-Fi Connect button starts blinking, press OK in the Maytag app on your smart device. If your appliance begins a 2-minute countdown, power your unit off and on, and restart the connection process from the beginning. When prompted, tap Join to initiate connection to your Maytag appliance. Connection to the router can take up to 2 minutes to complete. During this process, it is normal for lights on your appliance to blink. Once connected, the blinking will stop and become a solid white light. Congratulations! Register your appliance by giving it a name and tap Finish to complete the setup process. Now you're ready to start using smart features via remote control to help you power through laundry. Remember to press the remote enable button before using these features and to re-enable after opening and closing your appliance door.